Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Langav and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the next ditransitive verb from active voice into passive voice, how you are going to change it. And that ditransitive verb is bring. What do we mean by ditransitive verbs and where do we use the ditransitive verbs? Die, you can also pronounce it D. Die means to, transitive which can be changed from active voice into passive voice, and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways are called detransitive verbs or ditransitive verbs. We have already discussed the previous one from teach to bet. Today we will be discussing the ditransitive verb bring. They need two objects. The first object will be called the direct object and the second object will be called the indirect object. What is direct object? All non-livings are called direct object and all livings are called indirect object. All non-livings direct and all livings are called indirect object. And why do they need two objects? They need two objects to complete their meaning. If you bring one of the objects, the meaning won't be clear and understandable. Sometimes it will be wrong. For example, I say he brings me. Now how can he bring me? I'm not a instrument or any sort of thing that he will bring me. Clear, the sense is not clear. If I say he brings a watch, again a question arises, for whom does he bring a watch? Then if I say he brings me a watch, now the sense is clear that he is bringing a watch for me and he is bringing me what? A watch. He is bringing a watch for whom? For me. And if you want to bring the indirect object at the end and direct object at the beginning, if you want to shuffle their places, so keep in your mind there we will be using the preposition with them, with your indirect object me. Like if I say he brings a watch for me. So this is the way to change them from active voice into passive voice. So these are the ditransitive verbs which we discussed, that how you are going to change them from in active voice into two ways. Now main target we have got how to change them from active voice into passive voice. So today is ditransitive verb we will change, and we have got the modal auxiliary verb will. And will is the modal auxiliary verb. It is used for future possibility and possibility of 50%, and it is a bit informal way to speak with someone as usual. Now if I say we will bring him a watch, we will bring a watch for him, we will bring him a gift, and we will bring a gift for him. And if you bring the direct object at the beginning, so your indirect object will be followed by a preposition, and here it will be followed by for. And next we have got how to change them from active voice into passive voice. When you bring subject in the place of object, this subject when comes in the place of object, like here we have got by us in the second sentence, by us at the end in first sentence, and then third sentence, and then fourth sentence. So here us will be known as agent. This should be in your mind. That is not called the object, it will be called agent. And what is agent? It tells us who does an action in a sentence. And if you want to bring the object in the place of subject, like we have got two objects. The first object if you bring in the place of subject, like indirect subject, there it will be it will take the place of subjective case he, and direct object if you want to bring a gift at the beginning. So these will be called over here subject, but they will be called not the doer of an action subject, but they will be called the title or topic subject, because they are not the doer of an action. There you will be calling them the title or topic subject. And what do we mean by title or topic subject, which we are talking about? So it tells us who does an action, that will be called your agent, and the one who does an action in a sentence is called subject. And but when you bring object in the place of subject, there doer of an action subject won't be there. There it will be called the title subject, which we are talking about. In first and second sentence we will be talking about e, and in third and fourth sentence we will be talking about a gift. So this is your direct object, indirect object, and these two are your direct objects which you have brought in the place of subject. Now there are four ways to change them into passive voice. If you bring the indirect object first, so keep in your mind, by us comes at the beginning, gift at the end, gift at the beginning, us at the end. And if you want to bring the direct object at the beginning, so by us will come first, him at the end, and him at the beginning, and by us at the end. Now he will be brought by us a gift, he will be brought a gift by us, a gift will be brought by us for him, a gift will be brought for him by us. Next we have got the negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. He will not bring him a gift, we will not bring him a gift, we will not bring a gift for him. He will not be brought by us a gift, he will not be brought a gift by us, a gift will not be brought by us for him, a gift will not be brought for him by us. Next we have got the interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question and put queries. Will we bring him a gift, will we bring a gift for him, will he be brought by us a gift, will he be brought a gift by us, will a gift be brought by us for him, will a gift be brought for him by us. Next we have got the formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way. Will we not bring him a gift, will we not bring a gift for him, will he not be brought by us a gift, will he not be brought a gift by us, will a gift not be brought by us for him, will a gift not be brought for him by us. At the end we will be having the informal sentences. Their complete name is interrogative, negative, informal sentences. What are interrogative, negative, informal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way are called informal sentences. Won't we bring him a gift, won't we bring a gift for him, won't he be brought by us a gift, won't he be brought a gift by us, won't a gift be brought by us for him, won't a gift be brought for him by us. So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb bring from active voice into passive voice. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.